So, you want to register for one of Carlisle Event's legendary car shows. Good choice. Where do you begin? First and foremost, you'll want to go to carlisleevents.com and select the registration tab on our homepage menu. From there, you'll be taken to our registration page storefront. Be sure to select the correct show. For this example, we will register you for the Carlisle Ford Nationals. Your next step is to fill in all relevant information. Will you need off-grounds camping or trailer parking? Be sure to indicate that here. An additional price point does apply. You'll then select the year, make, and model of your vehicle. Be sure to include any other details to help us properly classify you, such as type, trim or modifications if any, your class, club if applicable, and for the Ford and Corvette events, indicate if you'd like to participate in the Downtown Carlisle Parade Park and Party. Please note, an additional price point does apply to be part of the parade. Verify that your information is correct, and then head to checkout and start counting down the days until your event. Finally, and this is very important, if you are registering prior to the Gate and Go deadline, which is 45 days before the event, you will receive your Showfield credentials and relevant stickers in the mail to the address you provide us. If you register after the Gate and Go deadline, you will have to pick up your credentials at the Gate 3 registration building when you arrive.